In the quiet of the evening, when the shadows start to fade, you ignited a spark, a flame that won't be tamed. With every whispered secret, our souls began to dance. But love like a wildfire, it's a dangerous romance. Oh, my wildfire heart, burning bright and free. You're the heat of the moment, consuming all of me. Through the smoke and the chaos, our passion ignites. But love's a raging fire, and it's lighting up the nights. We chase the setting sun through the fields of golden grain, but the embers of our laughter soon turn to aching pain. With every kiss a tempest, with every touch a spark, caught in the whirlwind, lost in the dark. Manic Mixtapes. Oh, my wildfire heart, burning bright and free. With the heat of the moment, consuming all of me. Through the smoke and the chaos, our passion ignites. But love's a raging fire, and it's lighting up the nights. And when the flames grow higher, when we rise or fall, in the ashes of our dreams, can we hear the call? Through the heartache and the fury, we'll find a way apart. But I'll always carry the embers of your wildfire heart. Oh, I'll always carry the embers of your wildfire heart. Oh, my wildfire heart, burning bright and free. You're the heat of the moment, consuming all of me. Through the smoke and the chaos, our passion ignites. But love's a raging fire, and it's lighting up the nights. So here's to the memories, the fire we once knew. In the quiet of the evening, I'll still think of you. Though the flames have faded and the night pulls us apart, you'll forever be the wildfire in my heart. Manic Mixtapes, podcast for the musically unbound.